I'm at windy Toronoto Motorsports Park, and I drove all the way from Chicago with my Ariel Adam and Jack Singapore. He's being chased by one of the locals with his Grand Sport Corvette. If you're a Patreon, you're gonna get to ride with us. If not, you're gonna get to hang out with us. We're gonna give you track tips, we're gonna talk about hot dogs, or maybe more, and you're gonna get to meet the straight pipes, gears and gasoline, and of course the event organizer, Speed Academy, along with the people from Toronoto Motorsports Park. Get your V8 out of here. Anyway, Sunday, September 29th, come out and meet us at 10:30 a.m. If you don't want to drive, there's a gate fee to come in and just hang out, which goes to the track because they're doing all of this. Other than that, let me take you for a quick lap in the Adam so you know what you're in store for.